E commutation. This commutation is also known as a external pulse commutation because SCR is turned off by external source. Now the SCR is turned off by applying reverse voltage across the thyristor, which is required to be turned off. Now in case 1, this commutation is provided to the SCR by using transistor. Now in this case the thyristor, the SCR is turned off by applying reverse voltage through transistor Q and the external voltage source E2. When SCR is turned on by applying the gate pulse, the current flow through the loads and its path is plus E2 anode to cathode to load resistance and to the negative terminal of the battery. Now when base signal is applied to this transistor, it turn on and reverse voltage applied across this SCR will turn off the main SCR. So here the base signal must be greater than the maximum load current, and the reverse voltage applied, the time of the reverse voltage applied across this SCR is greater than the turn off time of the SCR. So it is most important thing. Now in second case, we are using one pulse transformer as a external source to turn off the main thyristor. Here the secondary winding of this pulse transformer is connected in series with the SCR. Now when thyristor is turned on by applying gate pulse, load current flowing through these circuits. Now when one pulse is applied to the primary winding, which produce voltage into the secondary winding, and it is in reverse direction. Now this voltage, whatever voltage produced in the secondary winding of this pulse transformer, is applied to this SCR. So now due to this reverse voltage, it will turn off. Now this capacitor, voltage drop across this capacitor is very small and its value is hardly 1 volts. And second thing, one point to be remembered, that when designing this pulse transformer, the efficiency is very high because its input energy is very low. Now in third case, we are using auxiliary SCR to turn off the main SCR. So now here, when a thyristor T1 is turned on by applying the gate pulse, that means that is your main thyristor. Now the current path is plus E to RL to SCR1 and L2 and the negative terminal of the battery or supply voltage source. Now when to turn off this SCR, main SCR1, gate pulse applied to the SCR2, that means it will turn on, and at that time one pulse of current is passing through this inductor L2, which produce a reverse voltage across this capacitor, and its value is greater than supply voltage, and this reverse voltage is applied across the SCR1 resulting the SCR1 is turned off, and the this capacitor is charged in reverse direction.